Hi everyone, I'm Chikoo and today we're gonna learn a brand new number. Are you ready? This is number 8. Can you say it with me? 8. 8 twisty octopuses swimming around. Can you count them all? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! Look! 8 stars shining so bright. Twinkle and sparkle every night. We can find number 8 in so many places. Look, 8 crayons. How many balloons are there? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, let's try writing number 8. Let's try writing number 8. It's like two circles, one on top, one on bottom. Great job! Awesome work! Now you know all about the number 8. You did a super duper job today. I'm so proud of you. Let's have more fun and learn new things again next time. And hey, don't forget to tap the little bell and subscribe to Chikoo Land. That way, you'll never miss a single giggle or learning adventure. Bye bye for now. Big hugs and balloon high fives.